Hello, in front of me I've got DarkBeacon Blade 68. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. In the beginning, prepare switch puller, which is included in the original package. Right here we can also find some spare switches. Now, with this part of the switch puller, remove the keycap. Place it over, let it slide under the keycap, and then pull the keycap up. And now, using this part, let's remove the switch. Place it like this, from the top and bottom, and gently pull it out. Now you can remove and replace the switch. Remember to place it correctly, because these have these metal pins that has to go in the correct spot right here. Don't look at those two dots. Below we've got two pins curved according to the size and structure of the keyboard. So place it back, make sure that the pins are aligned with the dots, and gently push it. Don't forget to place back the keycap, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.